So this will be the last crypto bull run that we will see in our lifetime. This will be the last chance that you will be able to 100x, 1000x, 10,000x your investment. Now, you may be asking yourself, why is that? So let's break this down. Before, we used to have companies like JP Morgan and BlackRock say that, crypto was a fraud, it was a scam, and it was a way to launder money.
But most importantly, what I think about most of these cryptocurrencies, it just identifies how much money laundering there is being done in the world.
But now we have CEO Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, saying that Bitcoin is a flight to safety.
The need for crypto. I mean, when you think about global terrorism, and I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it.
Now, this was just a guy that was saying that Bitcoin was a scam and it was just a way to launder money. Now, this is the guy that applied for the spot Bitcoin ETF and got approved. So just something to keep in mind, watch what they do, not what they say, okay? So coming up here, I wanna give you guys a lot of events that are taking place that are going to be moving the market exponentially, all right? So number one, we have the Bitcoin halving. So the Bitcoin halving is going to be taking place in April, middle of April sometime. I think we got like 30 something days left, all right? The Bitcoin halving is a huge event and you will see major spikes in the market, all right? We also have the Ethereum ETF that's supposed to be taking place that just got pushed back by the SEC. And we also have the XRP ETF that's supposed to be taking place. And that should be happening sometime late April, early May. Now, these events are huge. These events are going to move the crypto market something ridiculous. So later on in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a chart. This chart is roughly around the 4 to 5 year period where we see the bear market, we see the accumulation phase, and we also see the bull market. And we are not yet in the bull market, but we are in the 4th year period where we are gonna see this bull market take off. And this time we're gonna see it take off like we've never seen it before. So in this video, what I wanna do is I wanna give you guys a couple coins that I'm gonna be investing in, some that I'm already invested in, and some projects that I really, really like, all right? So starting off with number one is XRP. That is still by far my favorite. We are still gonna see XRP shoot up something ridiculous, okay? Now I can talk about the back end of everything that's happening with XRP, but the reason that we haven't seen XRP take off like all of the other coins is because they're still dealing with some stuff with the SEC, and more than likely when they come out of it, they're gonna have to pay a fine, all right? So what I think is going on is I think that they're collecting the profits from the transactions that are being placed, and they're storing up money for the fine that they're gonna have to pay, which is gonna be roughly around 900 million to about $1 billion that they're gonna have to pay out, all right? So when they announce this fine, we will see a drop in XRP, but after we see that drop, we will see XRP shoot to numbers that we have never seen XRP go up to. So a lot of the projects that I'm very interested in right now is in the gaming fi and the AI space. These projects I absolutely love, and anything that has to do with Web3, all right? After doing my research on these coins, I really, really love the projects that they're putting out. I love the companies that are backing it, and I love what the future holds for those projects. Now, my second category, which is in the AI space, I have Render, Sleepless AI, Chain GPT, Fetch AI, and Near Protocol, okay? Those projects in the AI space, I absolutely love as well. And I love what the future holds for those AI coins. Now, in the Web3 space, now please understand that these also, the AI and the Web3 on some of these projects, they kind of correlate hand in hand with each other. So these are the Web3 coins that I'm looking at and that I absolutely love. I've seen a lot of these projects in the previous bull run. Right now, some of them are currently down, but in the previous bull run, they 10, 20, 30x when they were at their lowest. And right now, we are currently at a low on some of these coins, all right? So in the Web3 space, Polkadot, hands down, been one of my favorites for years. All right, Chainlink, that as well has been one of my favorites. Stacks, Render, the Graph, I've been invested in the Graph for the past 4 years. Fetch AI, Helium, and my top 2, if I had to only pick 2 in the Web3 space, I will pick Casper, which is CSPR, API 3. I'm already winning on those 2 right there. All right. And we can see those go a lot higher than what they currently are right now. And last but not least, I have Sleepless AI. A lot of these projects, man, I really love. I've done a lot of research on these projects. On this next bull run, I can see these projects really taking off. All right. Now, please know that when the bull run starts, you have to have an exit plan, and you just kind of have to know what your exit plan is going to be. Don't go into this space thinking that these numbers are just going to continue to run up and it's just a never ending, because that's not how the market works. People will take their profits at the top, and you will get left out again if you do not take profit. All right. I want you guys to kind of look at the guy that was invested in Dogecoin, right? Pulled out 100 grand, I want to say, all of his investments, put it all in Dogecoin. He was up millions of dollars, and he just kept holding. He thought that it was just going to go up, never ending. And he lost it all. All right. Went back down to 0. So don't be like that guy. Have an exit plan when you guys decide to invest in these coins. And please know that do your own research on these coins. Don't just take my word for it. I'm just a guy on the internet talking about crypto. Okay. And please know that this is not financial advice. When I tell you guys that a lot of these projects I do like, and they are backed by some big companies, this is always a plus, right? Some of these coins, they have the Coinbase effect, right? So what that means is once they are on the exchange with Coinbase, you get a lot of money flow to a lot of these coins, right? Because essentially Coinbase is kind of like a Robin Hood, right? It makes it a little easier for newcomers to kind of just join the crypto space and invest. So a lot of people, they don't really know what to invest in. They hear the talks about a certain coin that is going up or a certain coin that sounds good, and they just start investing because with Coinbase, it's easy, right? It's simple. You just create your account and you can start investing, right? So a lot of these coins, they'll get the Coinbase effect, and this is what causes that pump in a lot of these coins. But I also want to give you guys a few websites to kind of help you guys out. Just kind of do more research on these coins before you guys kind of decide to invest in these coins. So coming in at number 1, we have blockchaincenter.net. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites. This is just sites to kind of help you guys out to go and just do some research on it. All right. So blockchaincenter.net is a good site. So you guys could go on there and just kind of just see the altcoin census, right? So you'll see whether, people are investing more into Bitcoin or if they're investing more into the altcoins. All right. And what happens a lot of times is you'll get a lot of money that's invested into Bitcoin, and they start taking profits, right? So those profits, a lot of times they just kind of just shift it over into the altcoins. A lot of times people make a lot of money with the altcoins. They'll take that money from the altcoins and they'll invest it into Bitcoin. So that's a good site to kind of see where we're kind of sitting at on the charts. So another site that I have for you guys is called Arkham Intelligence. So what this is basically everybody's wallet. Everybody's wallet that is in the crypto space that has crypto. You can see what they have under management, what are they trading, what they are holding the most. So you can see all of this, and you can see everybody's wallet. So you can go on there and look at the CEO for Ethereum and kind of check out his wallet and see what he has and see where he's shifting his money over, shifting his coins over. So that's a pretty good site to kind of get a grasp on where the major players are kind of investing in. And last but not least, guys, look, do your own research behind these coins. If you don't know anything about crypto, gain some type of knowledge about crypto, okay? Crypto will be the new wave. It's going to be the new form of money, the new way that we place transactions. My opinion that the dollar will go away, I still stand on that, all right? I still stand on that. Now, you may be wondering, well, why is that? Isn't it when crypto goes up, stocks go up, or when stocks go up, crypto goes up? That has been true in the past, but what we're seeing right now is we are seeing a collapse of the dollar. And now this isn't just me saying it. There was already an article by Bank of America that they just put out saying that the dollar is going to collapse. Now, when you have a company like Bank of America put out an article like that, this isn't a joke. This is something that we've been seeing for the past previous months.
BRICS just announced a new global currency designed to replace the dollar. The deputy chairman of Russia's State Duma, Alexander Babakov, told reporters that the BRICS alliance, which stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is creating a new currency that will be backed by gold, rare earth metals, and other critical commodities.
Making money is cool, but most importantly, what I want to leave you guys is I want to leave you guys with this. All right. We know that we are living in our last times right now. All right. These are the last days. We can see it. The writing's on the wall. And it's all in the Bible. We see it, especially with all the stuff that has just been taking place. OK, so what I want to leave you guys is I want to leave you guys with this. All right. Jesus is coming back soon. He loves you guys. Repent, ask for forgiveness, because it don't matter how much money you make in this market. If your soul is lost, it's all for nothing. All right. So accept them in your heart, ask for forgiveness, and the rest will work itself out, guys. All right. With that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, man. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right. Until next time, peace.